Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi toggle in settings is enabled. This fixes many simple faults. Once done, restart your laptop and power cycle the router. Wait 30 seconds before rebooting the router to clear cache. Also check another phone or tablet on the same network so you know whether the problem is the laptop versus the network. These quick checks save time. If they pass, move on to network diagnostics and driver checks. Next, run the built-in network troubleshooter in Settings Network and Internet Status. It detects common configuration issues automatically. If that doesn't solve it, open Device Manager, find the Wi-Fi adapter, and update the driver or rollback if the problem started after an update. Disable the adapter briefly, then re-enable it to reset the hardware state. Finally, remove old saved networks so Windows forgets bad profiles. Once done, try reconnecting and entering the password. For stubborn cases, open an elevated PowerShell and run netch winsock reset, then netch int IP reset. This repairs socket and protocol stacks. Next, run ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and ipconfig/flushtons to refresh IP and DNS information. If the laptop still fails, test with a USB Wi-Fi dongle to rule out hardware failure, or use Windows Network Reset to reinstall adapters and restore defaults. If nothing works, one key tip: check router MAC filtering and your laptop's MAC address. Ensure it's allowed or disable filtering temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.